Alright, just got this new Samsung stove and it's time to unbox it. Hey Burrito, wake up buddy. Guess what? You're getting a new box. That's right. I'm making ramps out of the cardboard pieces. Okay, so it comes with this bracket, 4 screws. Two screws go in your floor, the other 2 go in your wall. I measured to make sure that the foot of my stove lines up with the bracket, slides into place, and then the stove is secure. Now, in case you're trying to find the cord, you have to unscrew this panel. If you look, you gotta run this through like that. And then measure. This is a strain relief clamp right here. Okay, so there's a plate here I had to unscrew down below. This comes out. And the screw was right there. Okay, so first I had to feed the cord up through the hole. And then I had to put it through this plate here. And then put a clamp on, as you can see. And now I gotta put this all back down in the hole and screw it in. That's the way the cord won't come out if you pull on it. Okay, then I just screwed it in. Red to red, white to white, black to black. Okay, so here's how it looks. It's got the 5 burners, and it's got really nice switches. These are heavy duty. I really like them. It's real easy to see whether it's on or off. It shows you, like if you look at the red dot there up top and to the left, it shows you which burner is on, which I really like. As you can see, it has a bake, roast, which is convection, and then a bake broil, which is non-convection. It has a keep warm, a steam clean, a self clean. The steam clean cleans with water, self clean is just heat. It has easy cook, slow cook, dehydrate, warming center, a timer, cooking time, delay start, and obviously clock. And you have your oven light down here. It's very simple to cook with. If you want to bake, you just choose whether you want convection or regular bake, type in your 3-digit code, and hit start. And then as you can see here, this side, that's your double burner. See the light come on? Left side, that's a single burner. It's very straightforward. The bread proof button basically is for cooking bread. Something many people would not realize about this oven is it does have a Sabbath feature. Slow cook is just a preset button, so if you hit it, it automatically memorizes a slow cook process. It's basically like a cooking recipe. You know, your timer, you just set how long. Warming center, on off. That's this burner right there. So the inside is really nice. It's blue instead of black or gray. That's actually blue. The racks are easy to take in and out. They just go in like this. So if you look there, that's the convection fan. The reason that's so important is it circulates the heat evenly. Everything cooks faster. So the drawer is nice. You open it right here. Easy to pull in and out. Pretty good storage room in there. Last thing I want to show you has a really nice handle, a nice vent. Alright, I'm going to try baking something and see how it goes. Real good. I spilled stuff all over the bottom. My wife is gonna kill me. Let's try out the self-cleaning. Alright, what do we do here? Simple. Here we go. Oh, this better work. Alright, It's done. It took a couple hours. Ah, nice. Looks like a little bit of ash. Just wipe that down real quick, and the wife will never find out. Very good. It's coming right off. Looks really good. Alright, so it's been 6 months since we bought this stove, and so far I'm extremely happy with it. So far it's been very easy to clean. I will say the top where the burners are gets a little dirty and it's hard to clean, but the actual stainless steel is easy to clean. The buttons are great, easy to figure out. I have no trouble running the buttons and setting up bake time and timers. It cooks great. I would say for the price, you're getting a very, very good stove. For a stove that goes in your house in this price range, you really can't do better. And also it's been very reliable. It's cooking with 100% accuracy. We haven't had any weird bugs in the system or anything. It just works great. What I love about this stove is it's a convection oven. So it cooks things more evenly than a stove that's not convection. But here's the best thing about this stove. Even though it's convection, you're not paying that normal convection price. If you look around and see how much the competitors charge for a convection oven, it's way more. So let me ask my wife, is there anything I didn't tell him about this stove?
It just works. I like it. I'm a horrible cook and I can cook in it. I made a pie.
My wife made a pie.
I've never been able to make a pie before. I could make a pie in this stove.
I also forgot to tell you, I like that it's not gas. Because you hear in the news all the time about people exploding. In my opinion, exploding is bad. I used to have a gas oven. It cooks just as good for me. That's the only thing about this type of oven. When it gets hot, I'm talking about the burners. When the burners get hot, they're hot. You can't cool them off. So you got to move what you're cooking to the side and let it cool off a little bit before you go back. So like there's an adjustment to learning how to cook with it if you're used to gas. Does that make sense?
Fantastic. I made a pie.
She made a pie.